This video will show how the Propel XFrame system is packaged and what's included. The Propel XFrame system ships unassembled in cardboard packaging. This packaging weighs less than a wooden crate, which means less shipping cost and easier on-site recycling. After removing the strapping, lift off the cover of the packaging and you will see the frame components layered inside the box. The first layer includes a box with accessories, including fasteners and spools, and the box containing the rear covers. Next, you'll see the installation template. Remove this and set aside as this is needed for easily providing the proper bolt locations for securing the frame to the floor. The next layer includes the 19-inch rack and the locking doors, if ordered. If doors are not ordered, there will still be a box here, and it will be empty. The final layer inside the packaging is a pair of cable bays. Remove them from the packaging, and you are ready to assemble the Propel XFrame system. After all the components have been removed from the packaging can be broken down and disposed of per local guidelines.